Next stock that I want to take a look at is a show favorite, as usual. That's going to be Hood. Here's what we got on the daily chart. Now, Hood is up almost 0.3% here in the pre-market. The big key from the daily chart that we still need to pay attention to is we popped back above this trend line. And although we haven't made a huge move since then, we've done a really good job following that trend, staying above that trend line and continuing to drift higher, even if it's not on extreme volume. So it's a pretty interesting spot here for the chart because it is still in an uptrend. It does still show strength. We talk a lot about the 20-day moving average really being determinant of the trend and all of that. We stayed above that. We continue to stay above that. We're above that right now. To me, I'm almost thinking that we probably try for some new highs again, unless the market just completely doesn't cooperate and comes back in. I think Hood has a potential of setting a new all-time high in the next several sessions. We'll see how that goes. Now, let's actually take a look at the news here. They reported their August operating figures. Funded customers at the end of August were 26.7 million. That's down approximately 10,000 from July in 2025 and up approximately 2.4 million year over year. My first experience with hearing from people that were using this on a regular basis was right around the COVID GameStop fiasco time. And man, oh man, if you had told me back then when people were complaining about not being able to close their open positions, I mean, think about that as a trader. You cannot close your positions if you want to. They've really come a long way here. And obviously the stock price speaks for itself, but they've really done a good job making a mistake and then cleaning up that mistake. And now they're getting numbers to support that the things that they've done have actually been very helpful. And it's good to see. If I had to have guessed this back then, and I did, I would have guessed that this is going to be a huge problem. And I've been proven wrong by the stock. And I think there might be some more to go here. Total platform assets at the end of August were 304 billion. That's up 2% from the end of July of 2025 and up 112% year over year. Now, that's not surprising given the huge move that we saw since Liberation Day. There was a lot of fear out there, and Liberation Day turned out to be one of the best buying opportunities that we've seen probably since COVID. Net deposits were 4.8 billion in August, or a 19% annualized growth rate relative to July 2025 total platform assets. Over the last 12 months, net deposits were 61.6 billion, or an annual growth rate of 43% relative to August 2024 total platform assets. Equity notional trading volumes were 199.2 billion. This is down 5% from July 2025 and up 100% year over year. Option contracts traded were 195.5 million, roughly flat to July of 2025 and up 33% year over year. Robinhood app crypto national trading volumes were at 13.7 billion. Interestingly, that's down 18% from July, but still up a whopping 154% year over year. Bitstamp exchange crypto national trading volumes were 14.4 billion, up 21% from July. Margin balances at the end of August were 12.5 billion, up 10% from the end of July and up 120% year over year. Total cash sweep balances at the end of August were 34.1 billion. That's up 1% from the end of July and 50% year over year. Total securities lending revenue in August was 53 million. That's down 13% from July and up 165% year over year. So it appears that not only is Hood gaining more trading clients, both on the stock and the crypto side, but it also appears that those clients are pretty universally, on the whole, doing quite well. Sure what it looks like to me here. So let me know what you think on Hood. Do you like it?